Are you trying to figure out how to become a professional speaker, an inspirational speaker, an education speaker, or even a motivational speaker, but you just don't know how? Or maybe you are already a speaker, but you don't know how to fill your calendar with bookings, or you don't know how to take your speaking to the next level. Well, I want to help you. My name is Dr. Manny Scott, and I'm a speaker, I'm an author, and I've been speaking for 22 years, up to 300 days a year, all over the world, 49 states, 6 continents. I've been serving and speaking and helping audiences all over the globe, and I want to help you. Let me tell you what you don't need. You don't need to be famous to succeed as a speaker. You don't need a best-selling book. You don't need a TED Talk. You don't need representation from a speaker bureau. Most of them aren't even interested in you in the beginning anyway. And you don't need to be certified or endorsed by some big name speaker. You could go through all the classes you want, my friend. It's not really going to help you when you need it most. And so I want to teach you about what you really need. And I've created a live webinar that I want you to join me on so I can teach you about how to get started, how to grow, what it really takes to start, to succeed, to thrive as a speaker. Let me help you. So fill in the details below and I'll send you an email and give you access to this opportunity, and we'll talk soon.